just woke up here on the 8th floor of this hotel room. It's so perfect to stay here, but what are we gonna do today? That is the question. I've been saying that I was gonna cut my hair for the past I don't know, months, but I didn't do it. But we're gonna drink some coffee first before we start out the day. Today I'm gonna actually, I think, walk along the beach and show you some more of this incredible beach side here of the town of Cancun, located in the Yucatan Peninsula here in Mexico. Every morning I do the same thing. I get my coffee, walk out on the balcony and look at the amazing view. It's so incredible just to hang out here, do nothing. Just being here, it's perfect.
Look at this view. Wow. This is where I've been doing pool tricks. You will see some pool tricks later today.
So the other day I did the pool trick of the forward-leaning downhill skier. I was sliding on the rail. So if you missed that, don't worry. Today there's gonna be more pool tricks. The coffee is done. Perfect. Really nice. Things have been going pretty good lately in my life, actually. Hopefully no shit is gonna happen soon. I think I'm gonna go and buy a pair of sunglasses later today, actually, because I sat on the ones I had and they broke. I started my drone from the balcony, which was a really bad idea. I'll tell you everything about it. Oof, I almost lost my drone. You can probably see that I'm a bit sweaty. I started my drone here from the balcony and the signal was bad. You know, drones, they have, you maneuver them with the GPS signal. So, and sometimes when the GPS signal is low, you have a lot of different GPS satellites. And then if there are not so many satellites in the area, or if you are like under something, which I am here, the signal can get really bad and the drone can start flying by itself, just flying away. Because if there are not enough GPS satellites, then it cannot determine exactly where the drone is. So it's gonna start going by itself, and that's exactly what happened. The drone just started flying back towards the balcony here, and then it crashed into the ceiling, poof, and then it just started flying away super quick by itself. It flew a couple of 100 meters over there. You should never start a drone when you have something above you or something covering your sight. If the GPS signal is not on point, then the drone can go crazy and fly in any random direction, and you can do nothing about it. It had almost fallen to the ground, but got up and flew away. I couldn't control it at all. Like, it didn't matter what I was trying to do on the controller, it just didn't respond. And the screen went black also on my phone. I was thinking, oh, this is it, it's gone for sure. It was just flying randomly by itself, and that's what happens sometimes when the signal is low. I had no control of the drone since the roof above me disrupted the signal. Oh, I couldn't see it on the screen, but I saw it really far out there. I saw a little black dot. So I ran over there, or I took the elevator down, ran over there. I ran over to the boat almost over there, and then I took the drone and the battery was almost gone. I ran down to the beach, and in the open area I had good signal again, so I could fly the drone back and take it. I lost one of the lights. Well, let's go to the pool and forget about what happened. Let's see if we can do some pool tricks on the other side today. I had been staying in the town of Cancun in Mexico for some time, and I really enjoyed my life here. Nice here, a bit lonely, but I think I'm gonna go over to the other side and do some pool tricks there instead. We have some people here also at the other pool, so it would be hard to do pool tricks actually. Too bad. Now I'm here by the pool and I think we're gonna fry a bit before we attempt some more pool tricks. So let's fry. Oh, the sweat is dripping. The skin is sizzling. Perfect, perfect frying. And I am getting ready for the pool tricks. My pool tricks were not on point today, but in the next episode, I promise I will make it up to you. Now we're gonna go and make some pasta and meat, and then I'm gonna fly my drone again. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the best meal you can possibly eat. Pasta, a bit of meat, and some veggies. I promise you, I'm gonna show you some more of Cancun, but first I'm gonna eat my world-class meal. Oh, so good. Before I go out, I wanted to speak about a concept in life. It seems like a really, really strange concept, you know? Now things are going good for me now. It's like I'm having good luck. It's just my YouTube channel is starting to finally work out, and things are just flowing. And it's almost like playing poker, you know? Sometimes when you play poker, you just get like the best hands, hand after hand after hand. Two of a kind, three of a kind, full house, flush. The cards are just, you get the best cards. You're just winning. And then all of a sudden, nothing, gone. Shit cards, you get nothing. It's kind of strange, you know? It's happened in my life all before. When I was in the US a couple of years ago, I was working in the oil field business, and I had a really well-paying job. I had a big Ford F-250 truck. I also bought a Ford Mustang convertible, and then also I had a little pizza truck, food truck. And then all of a sudden, like, things were going really well. All of a sudden I lost my visa, so I couldn't work anymore in the US. And around that time also somebody crashed into my Mustang. Bang! Wrecked it. Car gone. Everything went to shit. I lost my job, and on top of that also, that's when I ruptured my eardrum, so I couldn't hear anything. And I got a super bad ear infection. All of that just happened, boom, really quick. Everything had been going so good, and then everything just turned to shit. One thing after another. And I had to go back to Sweden. And I'm a bit worried now because things are going well. Hopefully nothing is gonna start going to shit, so I have to be very careful. I was lucky today also with my drone. It came back. But it's a strange concept, you know? I don't know if other people have noticed that this happens sometimes in life. Like when things are going good, a lot of things can go really well at the same time. But then also when things go to shit, a lot of shit can happen at the same time. It almost seems like there's something that has something to do with it, you know? It seems like, why would all of those things happen at once, you know? I don't know if somebody can relate to it, but if you can, then maybe tell me about your story. Something in your life that has been going really well, or really shit. I would be interested in hearing people's stories. So post a comment and let me know what has happened to you. Life can kick us to the ground sometimes, and it's really easy to stay there and just not try anything else. I think we have to keep trying different things again until something else succeeds. If things go to shit for me now again, then I would try something else until something else succeeds. Eventually something else is gonna succeed. But unfortunately, shit happens, I think, in life for everybody. No matter who we are or what we do, eventually some shit is gonna happen. A family member is gonna pass away, or it's inevitable. Some shit always happens. But the question is, how do we get up? And what do we do to get up? Now I'm gonna go fly with my drone again and buy some sunglasses. We cannot be afraid to try the same thing again, but in a different way, once we have failed. I need to keep flying my drone. We have so many luxury resorts all along the road here. I'm gonna show you some more when I get there. Hopefully I can also fly with my drone. Cancun is such an amazing place, since it looks like there are a lot of small islands out in the middle of the ocean, and you have luxury resorts everywhere, and the really nice Caribbean Sea. Here we have Playa Tortugas, and this is where the ferry goes out to the island, Isla Mujeres. I know now why the Mexicans have sombreros, because I've been walking and it's so hot here. You get shadow of your whole body, so you don't get fried. Otherwise you get really fried, but it's perfect to have the sombrero.
Ándale, ándale, arriba el bandido. Ándale, 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 arriba, arriba el bandido.
The sun is going down, so we're gonna do a little time lapse here, and then we're gonna go down to the park and do a little workout there. Alright, it's time to go and do a workout. We're gonna do the regular things: pull-ups, push-ups, sprints, abs, and dips. Sometimes I want to stay in one place and focus on getting in really good shape, but then I always go somewhere else, since I can't stay in one place. I don't know why, it's a problem for me. Oh, I've done a bunch of sit-ups, pull-ups, push-ups, abs, and now I'm going to perform the last trick for today here in the park, the swing. From the backflip from the swing. I did so much workout, but thank you very much for watching this video. This will be the end of the video. As always, please leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Special thanks to MuscleUpClayton.com in Missouri, United States.